First of all, I want to ask Nadim, the starting lineup of Orlando Pirates. What did you think and what did you make of it?
Yeah, Rose, the minute I see Ndaba starting ahead of Hoto, I get nervous. Obviously, I did say Pirates, they need Hoto playing, not Ndaba. That's exactly what I did say in the pre-match, of course, the preview. And then the minute you see Mbutuma, after all this criticism during the week, then starting again, that just makes you very clear that Orlando Pirates are not going to win the league. You need players who going to unlock. But when you have Moremi playing on the right side, he can't even kick with his right side. That's why on the left side, obviously, is a better, as a left-footed player. He even scored from that side. So with the lineup, I was not impressed with actually Moremi on the right, Butuma starting ahead of Mahopa. And one will say also, but one will say they were not clear-cut chances. Obviously, it looks like there's favoritism because players like Rilem Fokeng, no matter how much they're off form, they're always going to play. Their place is guaranteed. There are players who need to improve or impress the coach every day, like Mahopa.